NHF's strategic priority to improve access and enhance customer satisfaction, the fund conducts periodic reviews of the benefits under the program and in addition receives feedback from beneficiaries and stakeholders in relation to their concerns about the program. For the Board of Management meeting held on November 23, 2022, the directors approved the following changes to the individual benefits program. In terms of the NHF card, the card will now see an additional 41 new active pharmaceutical ingredients or APIs for the treatment of 8 conditions, namely hypertension, heart disease, vascular disease, diabetes, psychosis, glaucoma, sickle cell disease, and epilepsy. So 41 different medicines, if you will, to be simplistic for better understanding, to treat with these various ailments will be added to the list. This will cost an additional 474 million Jamaican dollars per annum in order to make provision for these additional drugs. In terms of the Drug for the Elderly program, JADIP, the board has also approved changes to ensure that 5 pharmaceutical items are added for the treatment of 5 conditions: arthritis, asthma, glaucoma, hypertension, and vascular disease based on some specific criteria. This will see approximately 21,000 active beneficiaries receiving benefits at an estimated cost of some $42.59 million per annum. Jamaican residents 60 years and older, Madam Speaker, just by way of information, can qualify for benefits under the Drug for the Elderly program. In terms of the prostate cancer or prostate-specific antigen test, prostate cancer is a very serious men's health issue, being the most commonly diagnosed cancer in Jamaican men and the leading cause of cancer-related deaths in our men. And so part of the challenge or the way forward is to encourage early detection through screening. Hence, this new addition to the NHF arrangement. So screening is really about early detection, and early detection saves lives. Screening for prostate cancer using the prostate-specific antigen test and the digital rectal examination or DRE can identify abnormalities and may find cancer early so that affected men can begin treatment before it spreads. Global Cancer Observatory data for 2020 estimates that Jamaica sees on average around 1,500 new prostate cancer cases annually. I am pleased to announce that the PSA test, the prostate-specific antigen test, will now be covered under the individual benefits program. Males over 40 years who are enrolled on the NHF card program can now access PSA tests. And this is very important that we encourage our men over 40 to get tested. In other words, it is taken care of if you are registered under the NHF card. The subsidy on the PSA test is set at $1,600 per test with a maximum allowance of 1 test per year, which is what you really need. We have some 89,665 active male claimants, 40 years and older, who can benefit from this new addition. And again, we say to these men, use the benefit to get tested. Early detection saves lives. To access these expanded benefits, Madam Speaker, and others, members of the public can call the NHF at 1-888 dial NHF or 1-888-342-5643. Visit the NHF's website at www.nhf.org.jm or visit any of the 106 drug-serve locations for full-time and scheduled services at private and public health facilities island-wide. There are enough outlets for persons to get information and to access these benefits.